because you do not want your wire just flopping around inside your chassis. It won't hurt it, I would say, but it might. And I think all cars and trucks that I've ever worked on, all their wiring has all been attached in a housing. And so this is what I'm doing right now. I am making sure that my wires do not ever get crossed and that they do not ever flop around. As you can see, everything has been locked in place. Uh-oh. That's got to be fixed. I had to cut that wire loose and change the location. I forgot to glue this back in place. But that's easy enough to do. And it doesn't take a lot of holding. Just a minute or two, and that glue sets up well. Yeah, Daryl, absolutely. Monster truck Warthog. Who said that? I know, Rocket, right? I tell you what, Daytona Beach. Welcome to the phone show. Nice to see you all. I am broadcasting live from Washington State, USA. And welcome to my phone show, everyone. Thank you for sharing me with others and putting up likes. And thank you all for following me. I build Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. To 1 p.m. Monday through Friday. So this is, who did? Who did? Ray B. Thank you, Ray. Thank you for your support. It helps out a lot. Well, thank you very much. We're trying to have the best YouTube channel on the planet. It's slow going, but we're getting there.